Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming coverage and gathering documents. That's the fastest way to avoid delays. Visit the nearest Bsnl customer center or call the local exchange to confirm serviceability. Once done, collect ID, address proof, a passport-size photo, and a utility bill for verification. Make sure you choose DSL versus fiber based on availability and budget. Note the plan name, upload/download speeds, and installation charges so you can request the exact package when you submit the form. You now complete the application precisely because mistakes cause rejections. Fill the Bsnl form online or at the office with the exact village address and a reliable contact number. Mismatches slow processing. Attach scanned or photocopied documents and select a technician visit date. Pay the initial connection fee and any refundable security deposit. Once submitted, collect the acknowledgement slip or SR number and note the projected installation window. Keep this for follow-up. You oversee the installation to ensure correct wiring and router placement. When the technician arrives, verify the router model and that the line runs safely into your home. Explain where you want the LAN or Wi-Fi. After activation, run a speed test so you confirm the plan's performance and request the invoice and customer copy. If the service isn't active or speed is poor, raise a complaint using your SR number immediately. That accelerates troubleshooting and escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.